Hi friends, how are you? This is Vladimir and this is the daily review for Thursday, 13th of October. So let's take a look on the chart and try to understand what are we going to have probably. We discussed during the last days by emails and on live room mainly about the divergences we see on many charts such as Euro dollar, Aussie dollar, S&P 500, Aussie Kiwi for example, and much more. And let's take a look on the charts to understand what are going to have probably and how can we enjoy them. Let's start with the euro dollar. Euro dollar has a divergence and has a trend line. All looks bearish after such a continuing divergence. We had a pattern and it should end the breakdown. The first the first area to look for the break is the support, which is together with the 20 MA. A break below it should continue the euro all the way for the next support area around the 135, 75, 80. That's the area. Breaking below that should open the doors for much lower levels, such as such as 134.40, or even for the last low. So we are bearish for the euro with this divergence. The conservative entry will be just with the break below the trend line 20 MA and the support area around the 137. That's for the euro. What about the Aussie? Aussie same thing, makes the bearish patterns. Everything looks okay with this divergence and it should continue lower. 20 MA should be the first dynamic target. Then at the final stage the Aussie should reach back this area which never been retested, and as more this continuing divergence will be, as stronger the move. If it happens from here, it should go all the way back to here. If it goes a little higher, it should back all the way stronger. So the trend will be bearish, most likely from one of the next supports, and recovering and correcting all this straight move, which is already more than 800 pips. So that's about the Aussie dollar. Look for also for the bearish direction. Euro pound has two interesting things. First of all, the 0.8735 area, which is stiff support. Second, 0.8790. Break above the 90 should lead us for the next move to 0.882530, and break above it should lead and open the door for 0.886570. Now if you pay attention, there are two scenarios: the bullish with the breaks of the resistances as discussed, the bearish break below this support area and break of the 20 MA, break of the RSI, which should and would probably open the doors all the way back for this trend line based on 4-hour chart. Once this one will be reached, most likely that the euro pound will continue the way up. Let's take a look on other interesting pairs that might give us some investor style opportunities. The Aussie dollar, what we discussed in between the 128 to 128.40, stopped on the 128.40 and begins the correction. It should at the beginning reach this support area, of course, and the break below this level should open the doors for the next support areas. Critical area 128.40, a daily close above it should get us out of the trade. What about the indices? We have for example the S&P. I recommended the sell from 12 to 12.10. The move happened to the 20 MA. We should close it. And for conservative entry, look for a break below this area together with the RSI break and 20 MA break, which should open the doors to 11.80. Break below that will open the move and the doors much deeper for more 25-30 points corrections. So that's the plan, that's the expectations, and I wish you a beautiful day. Enjoy the possible move, enjoy the corrections, enjoy the market, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you for your time. Vladimir.